dun, 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 dun. It's the Malik Chef Show.
Hello there, people. Right now I am trying to create one of the greatest meals of all time, which is very quick and very easy. What we have here is some homemade Angus burgers, which you can see right here, which is simmering with inside of olive oil. Got that simmering right, very nice right there. Right here we have some homemade onion rings. They're almost about done right now, so I'm going to take them out of the pot. And right now we have some good onions and green peppers, which is simmering very nice. It's marinating inside of, it's a secret sauce that I created, but I can't really give those details right now. But I'll probably catch it on the next show. And then I'm about to get this meal because we're hungry as shit. You know what I'm saying? And we're trying to just eat very well. That's what we're trying to do.
Starving like mo.
Golden brown, see that? Golden brown, that's how you gotta do it, bro. Golden brown. What you say?
There must be some pieces of burnt copper.
No, dog. These is perfect.
So,
I ain't put the spiciness into them yet. It might not be what he tasted. I don't know what the hell he tasted, but it's gonna be something special though. After I'm done.
are you tired of listening to that corny ass rap music that you listen to all day every day? They don't talk about anything but stupid shit and repeating the words over and over again as the verse. Well, if so, and you're suffering from cornyitis as music, then you should report the highly underrated 2, which is the new hotness from Chiz, the rapper. It's coming out soon, and you can check his videos out on YouTube, and just type in Chiz, lean with it. Yeah, that's the newest thing out, so please, enjoy the day. Turn the fire on.
I'll let them marinate. There's a trick, see. Water and grease don't mix. What you do is make them fight since they don't like each other. You know what I'm saying? Oh fuck, turn this fire on too? Oh shit. It's hard out here living in the ghetto, nigga. It's fucking pop and all that. Look, shit simmering. I'll start simmering this shit. Look at that, look. Instant melt action. I might need to grab this fucking bread right now. Just let this melt, dog. I have created the best meal of all time. The best lunch you'll ever see, ever. In the world. I am the greatest. I am Chef Master Lee. Come holler at me.